Hi everybody, my name is Matt and I work in the AAC. I'm here to teach you how to make an appointment with your advisor using Navigate. There are two super easy ways to do this. The first way is to use a PAL. No, I don't mean get your friend to do it for you. PAL stands for Personal Availability Link. This is a link that you can get from your advisor that'll bring you right to their schedule so you can set up an appointment. Your advisor probably sent you an email with their PAL included, so take a look and see if you can find it. If you have it, just click on the link and you'll be magically whisked away to the Navigate website. From here, it's just a couple of simple steps to set up your appointment. First, select a service. This is the reason for your advising meeting. Next, click the Find Available Time button. You'll see information about your advisor's schedule on the next page. Before you pick a day and time for your appointment, scroll down to the How Would You Like to Meet menu. Use this to select an in-person or virtual appointment. It's important to do this first because your advisor might have different availability for each kind of meeting. Now you can scan the available dates and times and click the one that works best for you. On the next page, you can review the details of your appointment. Make sure everything looks right. If you need to change the format of your meeting, you can do that here, but you may need to go back and select a different time if you do, depending on your advisor's availability. You can also use this comment area to give your advisor any information you want them to have before your meeting. By default, you'll receive reminders about your appointment by email and text, but you can adjust those settings as well if you'd like. Finally, click Schedule. Ta-da! You've got an appointment! Nice job! Now, if you can't find a PAL from your advisor, you can still schedule an appointment without one. In that case, just log into the Navigate website or app, click on Appointments, and click the button to schedule an appointment. Make sure the type of appointment is set to Advising and Support. Then use the Service menu to scroll through to the Meet with an Academic Advisor area and pick the reason for your meeting. Click Find Available Time and you'll be able to see your advisor's schedule. The rest of the instructions are all the same from there. Now get ready for your appointment. We'll see you soon!